Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the language on your Samsung washing machine. So what you want to do is press this extras button on your right, which is responsible for the extras menu. So when you press that, you get the extras menu on this washing machine. So you press that, then you can get all these options. But what you want to do is actually press and hold that one, because changing the language is actually like a system function. So it'll give you up to this systems menu, which you can use this dial to turn it to your right, and you can scroll through all the options you can get. Scrolling through, and then you've got language there. Then you press OK. So it depends, whatever market you have, depends. You can actually like find out if for my market it's got Australian and US English, and I could change it to US English, and that's it. And setting the language, and that's it, it's done. So to get back to the main menu, all you need to do is just press the options button. So that's about it. If you found any value in this video, gently smash the like button. It does help this channel a lot. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Helps us a lot so that other people can find this content and be able to work around their new washing machine. Thanks for checking us out. I'll see you next time.